You know, all those clickbaity $1,000 a day with Fiverr affiliate marketing headlines we see everywhere online these days?
Oh, yeah.
Well, today we're going to dive deep and see if there's actually any substance behind all the hype.
Yeah, it's one of those things, right? It's got to separate the wheat from the chaff.
For sure.
Affiliate marketing definitely has potential.
Huge potential.
But it seems like most people just end up barely scratching the surface.
Absolutely. And that's where this guy, Nick Daly, comes in.
Okay.
He's built quite a system for himself and says most beginners are doing it all wrong.
Sure thing.
So we took a deep dive into his video where he breaks down his 5, get this, free traffic methods.
Free, huh? That's always enticing.
Right.
But as always, the real magic is in the strategy.
Exactly.
So let's break it down.
Okay, so first up, he's using medium.com.
Okay.
But he's not just throwing up random posts.
Right.
He's creating super detailed articles specifically designed to rank high in Google search results.
See, and that's lesson 1 right there.
What's that?
It's not enough to just have good information. You have to make sure people can actually find it.
Oh, for sure.
This guy understands SEO, search engine optimization.
Yeah, it's crucial these days.
Absolutely crucial.
Like, he gave this example of an article he wrote promoting video editing services on Fiverr, but he specifically targeted it toward YouTubers looking to, like, up their video editing game.
Ooh, smart move.
Right.
That's niche targeting at its finest.
Totally.
By focusing on a specific audience with a very specific need, he's increasing his chances of conversions tenfold.
Okay, but here's where it gets kind of wild.
What that?
He's not writing these massive, like, 4,500-word articles by hand.
Oh, no way. Come on.
I'm serious. He's using this AI tool. It's called C writing.
AI content creation's a game changer, I'll tell you that.
Really?
It's fascinating to see how these tools are being utilized, and it's changing the game, really.
So what can it do?
Well, imagine this. You can take a detailed outline, feed it to this tool, and boom, you've got a polished article ready to go in a matter of hours, not days.
And Dave claims this tool can even take care of keyword optimization and FAQs.
Incredible.
But he does emphasize that you still need to, like, review and tweak the output before hitting publish.
Of course, of course.
You know, make sure it sounds like you and all that.
Exactly. Tools can assist, but ultimately that human touch is vital for quality control and making sure your unique voice shines through.
Right, for sure.
Okay, so what's next?
Okay, so his second method takes us to the world of questions and answers.
Interesting.
Quora.com.
Ah, Quora makes sense.
Yeah, I mean, people are already on there looking for information.
Absolutely.
So Dave's strategy is to find questions that are relevant to Fiverr services and provide genuinely helpful answers that subtly incorporate his affiliate links.
The key word there is subtly.
Yeah.
Authenticity is paramount on Quora.
Yeah, you can't be spammy.
No one likes feeling like they're being sold to.
Exactly.
It's all about building trust and becoming a valuable member of the community.
Which is interesting because his third method, Reddit, relies on that same principle.
Reddit, really?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me more.
So Reddit, as I'm sure you know, is like a treasure trove of engaged communities.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
And he says by providing value and participating authentically in these subreddits, you can strategically position yourself as a trusted source.
That's all about that trust factor, isn't it?
Yeah, and building those genuine relationships.
Absolutely.
Because no one wants to hear from a spammer, you know?
No,
You got to play the long game.
100%.
Become someone the community actually wants to hear from.
Exactly.
Okay, but enough about the written word.
Right.
Dave's final 2 traffic methods really blew my mind.
Oh, really? Let's hear it.
Okay, so get this. Faceless YouTube automation channels.
Faceless YouTube automation channels. What in the world?
I know, right? Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel.
It does.
But this is where it gets crazy. He's making serious bank with this strategy.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
I'm serious. One of his channels made over $667,000.
Get out of here.
I know, right? Lifetime earnings.
That's insane.
And get this.
What?
It's not just from ad revenue.
Okay.
He's strategically embedding affiliate links in the descriptions, too.
Oh, I see.
Creating multiple income streams from a single piece of content.
So, like, diversifying his income, but all within the YouTube ecosystem.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's like having ad revenue as a steady baseline.
Right.
But then those affiliate links have the potential for those, those high-ticket commissions.
Yeah, exactly.
So imagine this. Okay.
Yeah.
You've got this faceless channel dedicated to, let's say, graphic design resources.
Okay.
And you've got this awesome video about, like, top 5 free graphic design tools for beginners.
Right.
and it starts blowing up, right? People are loving it.
Oh,
Ads
wow.
are playing, views are skyrocketing,
I'm with you.
and boom, you've got your affiliate links right there in the description for each one of those
Oh,
tools.
wow. I see where you're going with this.
And every single click could be a sale, a commission for you without you even lifting a finger.
See, now this is interesting to me
Right.
because it leverages what we call evergreen content.
Evergreen content, what's that?
So, unlike trendy topics, they come and go.
Right, they fade.
This, a well-made video on graphic design basics, that's going to be relevant for years,
Oh, that's a good point.
potentially years to come.
So it's like you make it once, but it just keeps earning.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
All right.
But let's address the elephant in the room here.
Okay.
How do you create these faceless videos without, actually being the face of the channel?
Right. How do you do it? Well, that's where the beauty of the gig economy comes into play.
Okay.
Dave was hinting that he outsources the entire process.
He does?
And platforms like Fiverr,
Yeah.
they're overflowing with talented freelancers who can, bring that vision to life.
Hold on. You're telling me I can hire someone on Fiverr to create a video promoting Fiverr gigs?
You got it.
Whoa. That's some next level stuff right there.
It's wild.
It's kind of mind-blowing.
It's a fascinating example of how interconnected these online platforms really are.
That's true.
Think about it. You could find a scriptwriter,
Okay.
someone to craft a compelling story.
Yeah.
You get a voiceover artist to bring it to life,
Right.
and a video editor to package it all together.
And bam, just like that.
Just like that.
You've become some content creation mastermind, orchestrating everything from behind the scenes.
That's the dream, right?
That's amazing.
You're essentially building a remote team,
Okay.
specialists,
Right.
each one bringing their A game to your project.
Right. But I'm assuming it's not as simple as just throwing money at it and hoping for the best.
You're catching on.
What
Delegation doesn't mean you're off the hook completely.
do you mean?
You still need a vision, right? You got to know your target audience, the style you're going for, the tone of the content.
Right.
Think of yourself as the director,
Okay.
guiding the creative process, making sure it all aligns with your strategy.
Got it. So, you're the CEO of your own mini content empire.
Exactly.
I like that.
Right.
But let's be real. If this is so lucrative, wouldn't everyone and their mother be doing this?
That's the question, isn't it?
What about the competition?
Well, competition's a part of any market.
True.
But what Dave's success highlights
What's that?
is it's not about chasing saturation. It's about finding your niche.
Finding your niche. Okay, I like that. It's about finding those little pockets of opportunity, right?
Exactly.
Where you can really serve an audience that's hungry for that specific information.
Precisely. It's not about being everything to everyone.
Right.
You become the go-to expert for your specific niche.
I like that.
That's where true leverage lies.
It's like those hidden gem restaurants.
Oh, yeah.
They're not trying to please every single palate.
Right? But the people who love their unique flavor,
Yes.
they're loyal customers for life.
Love that analogy.
Right.
And when you think about it, that's exactly what Dave's done.
What do you mean?
He's combined this niche focus with scalable systems.
Okay.
He's not limited by how much content he can create himself because he's leveraging the power of the gig economy.
It's brilliant.
Isn't it?
It's like he's found a way to hack content creation.
In a way, yeah.
But ethically, right?
Oh, absolutely ethically.
He's providing genuine value. He's connecting people with resources that they actually need.
Right.
And if they choose to make a purchase through his links, hey, everybody wins.
Everybody wins. That's the beauty of it.
It's like a win-win-win all around.
Exactly.
This has been eye-opening.
It is fascinating, isn't it?
Who knew you could build a six-figure income with faceless YouTube channels promoting Fiverr gigs?
Right.
It sounds almost too good to be true.
Well, I wouldn't say it's too good to be true.
Dave's success is a testament to, strategic thinking,
Right.
adaptability,
Okay.
and a deep understanding of how these online platforms work.
So he's not peddling some get-rich-quick scheme.
No, not at all.
He's actually put in the work, honed his strategies,
Absolutely.
built a system that clearly delivers.
Yes, walking the walk.
He is, and it's really inspiring to see because it challenges the traditional idea of entrepreneurship.
I agree.
You don't necessarily need this groundbreaking invention
Right.
or revolutionary product.
Sometimes it's just about connecting those existing dots in a way that provides value.
Right, and using the tools that are already out there.
Exactly.
Okay, so for our listeners who are out there who are like, all right, I'm ready to dive into Fiverr affiliate marketing, let's do this. Where do they even begin?
That's a great question.
What's step one?
It all starts with a little introspection.
Okay.
What are you passionate about? What unique skills or knowledge do you have that you could share with the world?
Okay, so find your passion, and then what?
From there, it's all about exploring those different traffic methods that we've been discussing.
Right. Medium, Quora, Reddit, the YouTube channels.
Exactly. Experiment, see what works best for you, what resonates most with your target audience.
Don't be afraid to try new things.
Exactly.
And embrace those AI tools,
Yeah.
the outsourcing platforms.
They're your friend.
Use them. They can really make a difference.
It's all about working smarter, not harder.
I like big.
Dave's a prime example of that.
Right. Work smarter, not harder.
He saw a need, he created a solution, and then he automated the process.
The question is, what will you automate?
What unique value can you bring to the table?
I love that.
It's time to think about the possibilities,
It
right?
is. It really is. And this deep dive, it's really got my wheels turning.
Me too.
It's amazing what you can achieve with a little inspiration and the right strategies.
Well said.
So until next time, everyone,
To our listeners,
keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly,
what's that?
keep diving deep.
Love it.